Now, I'm hoping you'll let us tell you about a group of students at Bay Middle School in Bay Village that are really growing this year. Sorry, I'll dig myself out of these jokes. This week's A+ award winners are the 7th grade science students in Mr. Caddey's class. This group of agriculturally inclined students found a way to combine science, a love of gardening, and healthy eating into a great way to learn. The students are using hydroponic technology to grow fresh lettuce. Hydroponics is a method of growing plants in nutrient-rich water solutions that don't use soil. Plants that are grown this way typically grow quickly and use a lot less space. The lettuce crops begin as seeds in a growing substance that behaves like soil. It contains all the nutrients a seed needs to sprout. They're kept under special grow lights that provide the plants with the right amount of light to begin a process known as germination, which is the development of a seed into an actual plant. After the plants are sprouted, they're moved into a special rack that feeds the plants with a nutrient-rich water solution that lets the lettuce flourish. After a few weeks, they harvest the fresh lettuce, and it's actually used by the cafeteria staff for school lunches. I don't know about you, but I'm in the mood for a nice, fresh, healthy salad. The students told us that it's very exciting to see the plants go from their classroom-based farm to their plate. They also shared that along the way, they learned that not every crop is successful. And even if you don't reach your goal, you can still learn a lot through reflection and adaptation. This week's A+ award goes to the green-thumbed Rockets at Bay Middle School. Keep up the great work, and you made me think, I need to go find lunch.